All right, everybody. In today's video, we are going to be using a switch to activate a buzzer. So, in our book, this is the circuit that is showing. There is no switch, but because we're not using the RadioShack Kit, and we're using our homemade setup here, we do have this will be our main switch. So I just want to show you, this is the circuit from the book. As you can see, we're just going to be putting 3 volts across a buzzer. So that's what the circuit looks like from the book. Next, I'm going to show you what that looks like on our actual unit here. So we have our main power switch, which is what we're using. On this, all we would really do is take from our positive rail, our 3 volts, we would jump it to the spring, the positive, and then with a separate jumper wire from our negative to the ground. And if we open this up here, this right here is our buzzer. So as you can see, these are our springs right here. It just connects here, and then there's a trace to the buzzer. There is no resistors or anything on this board, so it's just going straight to the buzzer. So we will replicate that. Before we go and build the circuit, let's go ahead and check out the simulation first. All right, everybody, here is the schematic with the main power switch for our circuit. As you can see, this is our power supply, and we are using the double pole, double throw switch, but we're using it as a single pole, single throw. So that's why I have this kind of switch installed. From previous videos, you should know that each resistor equates to 1.5 volts. Collectively, 1.5 volts times 6 gives us our 9 volts. So since we want 3 volts to be our source for this buzzer, I'm using 2 of the resistors. So this is pretty simple circuit. I'm going to hit play. Notice nothing happens, but once I flip the main switch, the buzzer will go off. Just as expected. Perfect. And if we open it, it stops. Cool. All right, let's go ahead now and build our circuit. Remember, for our main switch, we're using a double pole, double throw switch. A double pole, double throw switch is made up of 2 single pole, double throw switches, and we are going to be using one of those single pole, double throws as a single pole, single throw. So right now we're in the off position, which bridges these 2 pins, and up. It's now connecting these. So I went over that in the overview video. So here's our main switch that we'll be using. Expanding onto our circuit, all we're going to do, here's our buzzer. Here's our circuit. 3-volt source goes into the positive, red wire, and then black wire out to ground. Alright, I'm not going to leave this on too long because it can get a little bit annoying. But our buzzer is in position. And I'm now going to flip our main power switch on. Here we go. There we go. Pretty annoying.